Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I have some happy mail here from Ilena, and thank you so very much. This was totally unexpected, and on the other side with our addresses, so I'm not showing you, but it does say rattle okay. So I have been playing with this. I have no idea what's inside, so let's check it out. I love the flamingo washi. I love flamingos. I don't know why. They're just stinking cute, and probably because they're pink. I guess I probably do know why. They're cute, they're funny to watch, and they're pink. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Ilena. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. So here's a beautiful card. Aw, lovely inside and out. And look at these. Those are awesome. Gosh, those are fun colors too. Those are from the Stampin' Up! Collection. And it is just a beautiful card. And I don't know if you got these from Stampin' Up! I sell Stampin' Up! And I don't even know if those are ours. But this is lovely. It is lovely. And then she wrote me a sweet note, I think. Let me see here real quick. Aww. Yeah, this is a stamp kit that she got from someone that she subscribes to. That is awesome. That is so cool. I love it. And I think she wrote me a nice long note. Oh, it's Ilena. I am so sorry. I'm so glad you told me how to say it. Ilena. That is beautiful. That is a really pretty name. Oh my goodness, she says she's been watching my channel for a couple years, for 2.5 years. And she started watching planning videos and then my crafting videos. Aww. And she's not decorating her planners quite as much right now. And she's watching cleaning, lifestyle, Stampin' Up, crafting, DIY videos, kind of the same kind of thing that we all kind of, well, at least I do too. Oh my goodness, she's 70 years young and she's retired from her job for 5.5 years, so congratulations. Oh my goodness, sounds like you had a wonderful career. And she's been married to her husband, who is from Ohio, which is just right next door to me. And he went to school in Indiana. Yay! Aww. And they live in New York now. And you guys might know her from comments. She does comment on my YouTubes quite often, and she's always enjoyable to read. And she collects cookbooks. Girl, we have so much in common. And she's decluttering and downsizing. Yes, indeed. And I totally agree with those cleaning videos motivating you, because I have been doing the same. Oh, and she has Crohn's disease. I'm so sorry to hear that. My goodness, and she watches both of my channels. How sweet. And she saw this hedgehog and thought immediately of me. Aw, and she said, think of me when you use it too. Oh, I sure will. Thank you so much. Second generation Italian. Yay! Well, thank you so much, Ilena. That is beautiful. So let's look at this real quick. Oh, goodness. Look at how cute. It is a stamp, and it says handmade by Tammy. And it is gorgeous, and I love it, and I will definitely use it and take very good care of it. And I absolutely thank you very much. So have a great day, and thank you so much for thinking of me and for sharing with me and for such a wonderful gift. Wonderful, useful, practical gift. I love it. Thank you very much. And I'll rattle it. Thank you. Bye-bye.